Hey, welcome to a new video. I'm talking about new townhomes. A new building just opened up here in Laverne. Townhomes waiting for you to come make them your new home. I'm so excited because we have the only townhomes that are between almost 1,400 square feet and over 2,000 square feet. So come check them out. And we have some exciting news for the holidays. We're having a holiday special where, in addition to you being able to buy it, we're also going to be giving an interest rate buy down to you that's going to be paid by the seller, that's going to get you into a new home even cheaper than what you might have thought. So I'm here today with Mike Means from MIG Mortgage Investors Group. He's the preferred lender out here, and we're doing a 2-1 interest rate buy down, and he's going to explain a little bit about what a 2-1 interest rate buy down is.
Thanks, Ann Riley. Hi, everybody. Mike Means with Mortgage Investors Group out here at Minerva Village. Excited to tell you about the builder is offering a 2-1 interest buy down. Well, what the heck is a 2-1 interest rate buy down? That is where the builder is funding your interest payments over 2 years to get you in at a lower payment. Out here, it's going to be as low as principal and interest as low as $1,700 a month. So that's really a great way to get started. It's going to save you about $400 a month the first year, about $200 a month the second year, and then going forward, you'll be at about a $2,100 a month principal and interest payment based on the townhomes out here in Minerva Village.
So you can take that money you've been paying for rent and move it over and actually buy your new home and start building equity in it.
Absolutely. Buying is always better than renting. There have been several articles out recently talking about how real estate appreciates over time, and Middle Tennessee is a great example. Great place to buy real estate. Values are always going to be stable or increasing, even during interesting times.
That's right. We've seen a few of those, haven't we?
For sure.
So we are here for interesting times. And then there also is a first-time home buyer program that is available for you first-time home buyers. And Mike, what is a first-time home buyer?
First-time home buyer is going to be anyone who hasn't owned a home in the last 3 years. The THDA product is a great way to get into a house. It has down payment assistance, it has closing cost assistance, and all the townhomes here at Minerva Village qualify for THDA financing. So it's a great way to get into a house. And I'd love to tell you more about that. You can go to mikemortgages.com, or you can reach out to Ann Riley at
notyourordinaryagent.com and check out our open house times. Also can meet you by appointment. All kinds of ways to get you in here. We got 3 different floor plans, 3 different price points. So come on out, take a look, and let's make one of them your new home.